The next question is, what if? Because if we really truly want to unleash our mission,
3 words, amazing, interactive and insightful.
Exciting, invigorating, and I think a really wonderful way for the leadership team to bring the entire company together for our one mission and one purpose.
Just super exciting.
We are proud, we're evolving, we are tough and never give up. Breaking ground.
It's actually intelligent,
innovative,
Inspiring.
and very exciting. Oh, that's full.
thank you again for paying attention and for being a part of all of this.
As always, I love how open the panel are, like our leadership team. They're happy to get like grenades thrown at them with the Slido questions.
Yeah, super happy. It's amazing being here and yeah, super grateful.
Learning the vision, the values, what it means to them, I think it was really insightful and very meaningful to me.
When they talked about the super app and the auto-employ, when we auto-employ the talent and the talent app, that's so, yes, I think the super app is the third word I want to talk about the system.
But we're going to be that asteroid that's going to come and like take out those dinosaurs.
make sure that the last couple of years are all made up for, and that we bring everyone together to combine as one.